Nothing beats a nice bluebird day at Winter Park. I got to spend the day with my buddy. It was pretty packed snow, but not too icy, so honestly it wasn't bad. But it was beautiful out. It was a bluebird day, nice and sunny. It was super packed, which made it a little difficult. I did make my way over to Mary Jane at one point, which I thought would be less packed, but it was just as bad as Winter Park. Regardless though, it is still a great day skiing whether or not it's packed. And yeah, check out some of these clips. Oh, it's the same. Yeah. Oh, this could be really cool. It's a little icy. I can still hit it. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is totally fine. Woo! That was easy. Keep going. Why the frick not? This is literally just a trail. I just have to follow. Ah! Oh, it's a little, I don't like some of this. Oh, the powder though on the side feels really good. Oh, but I don't want to get stuck in this. Not at all. This is where I'm not comfortable. I'll probably go out up here. Whew. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I get it now. Now we're back on track. Stop a little bit, kind of a leg killer. Oh, that's icy. Icy, motherfucker. But it feels good. Holy shit. I think this is gonna be a little bit of a leg killer, but we'll get it. Oh, I see where I'm at. Yeah. I know exactly where I'm at. Out of control a little. Oh yeah, I see where I'm at. Nice skid right there. Get the panorama. I see where I'm at. Oh, I could go through those trees again. Oh, it's rocky. I want to miss that. Miss me with that shit. Oh. Ah, I can do it. Gesticulated. Whew. That was an easy one. Never gone on this yet. Little Mowgli right here. Oh shit. Woo!